We at Creative Arts Academy are passionate about seeing our students deepen their relationship with the Heavenly Father and model what it means to live a lifestyle of worship.
We want to equip our worshippers with leadership skills and develop their character.
God used the Creative Arts Academy to teach me what a lifestyle of worship really looks like. I developed a whole new level of freedom in God and was able to worship Him in spirit and in truth.
If you have a passion for the arts, want to know more about living a lifestyle of worship and developing the skills within you, then Creative Arts Academy is the ideal training ground for you.